guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've not already subscribed, subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done. If you subscribe, great job. And if you've not, go ahead and do it right now because we need it. And my name is Mackenzie, and welcome back to Sis and Bro. But today we're going to be exploring our nature, but I don't know where he went. Guys, Austin's not here. Where did he go? He's always late. He is. True, guys. True. So, guys, I'm going to attempt to jump over there from where I am right now.
Let him tell me. First me.
First he'll go, because he's just amazing. And then it's my turn. Do you guys think I'll land? Should I throw my camera or no? Okay.
Yeah.
I made it. So the first stop we'll do was, we were literally just there. But first stop we'll do is right here. Exploring our creeks. Dude, look how cute that rock is.
What rock? You want it? I'll get it for you. You want it?
Yeah. Guys, look. It's like a white rock. We'll throw that over there for right now.
Where's that?
I don't know.
You know how they got a white rock in here? Look.
Oh, well.
Alright, cool.
I thought it was like one of them cool rocks, but it's not, guys. Next one we'll visit is this creek over here.
She wants to see it splash.
We're surrounded by creeks, no worries.
She wants to see it splash.
Do a splash, bub. There it went. Oh my gosh, guys, the sun just came out. It's not been out all day. So we're going to go across the road and show you guys the other two creeks that we got. So, yeah, let's go.
We have actually 4 creeks. Yeah, guys. We have
Like a lot of them are, they're all connected, but they're like all separated. So, let's go.
This stuff is connected to the waterfall.
Yeah, the reason why we have all these creeks is because they're all connected to the waterfall that we have just down the road there. No, I'm not.
I remember this.
Guys, look what I just found. See it? Let's see if it's empty. It's empty. We'll keep it. We'll put it right in my pocket. So now we're going to go check out the other creek this is probably my most favorite creek.
But the waterfall is the most best
because it's just so pretty and it has blue water. Yeah, I know. So, I'll beat you to it. I think I was way too fast for him. I don't know where he went. But anyways, let me just show you guys really quickly. Look at that water. And this one's like a pond over here. Guys, where'd Austin go? He's always disappearing. Austin, are you over here? Are you over there? No. Are you over? Guys, that was super hilarious. We used to have a bridge, but yeah. Look how cute, guys.
Kenny, come over here. Are you good?
Alright, I just broke the shell, guys. It was super thin. Well, we gotta wish it good luck. Good luck, shell. Alright, let's get out of here. And now we're going to explore. I don't know. I guess we'll just not end the video here because look how cute.
That thing's so old.
Oh my goodness, guys, that hay bale is very old.
That's ours. Yeah, if you want to know how deep this water is, come on.
Yeah, let's look. The water's actually not that deep. All right, pull the stick out. Okay.
Everything's wet here.
That's how deep it is.
Let's go get a better. Go get a better fish.
But today, that's basically all we had. We were just going to explore the creeks. But if you guys have not checked out our channel, and this is the first video you've watched of us, go to our channel and you will see us playing, having fun. We will be playing with slime. Yes, guys, it's to that wet spot.
No, it's right here because I was right here.
Yeah, it's to that wet spot, guys. And now the whole thing's wet. So that's basically it for today. That's basically all we have for creeks. And guys, slime is going really big on it right now. So we already have one slime video, but we will keep posting on slime. Guys, I want to take this trail. Hold up. Guys, look at this perfectly cut trail.
We used to drive on this.
Yeah, guys.
It's all poop.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. This is poop stuff. But it's all dissolved. We'll take this little route. So, yeah. That's basically it.
Yeah, a dog died here.
Turning back because I don't want to step in no more poop. Okay. Okay, so that's basically it today. Oh my goodness, where did he go? Austin! Okay.
I'm always like I told you.
All right, guys, that's it. And all we have to say today is gotta catch back up to him. Yeah. Subscribe and goodbye.
No, we got a slime video.
I dare you to jump.
Where?
Just do it.
What?
That.
Get on this?
Yeah.
Are you still taking it?
All right, guys. Bye.